Hey there. Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon so you can get latest video notifications.
Hume doesn't just bend the rules of display technologies, it completely rewrites them. Take a look at this flexible OLED prototype. Our team was able to make a high-resolution display on extremely thin plastic, so instead of glass, so it won't break even if it's dropped, and we can actually bend the screen. Imagine the products you could design with this.
That's amazing.
It really is. I brought something else here today. Have a look at this bended Hume prototype device. Do you see how the screen curves beyond the edge of the display around here? With this bended display, we have expanded the canvas available for content. Content can now flow along the sides of the device. So, for example, if I receive an important message, I can see it come through while the device is flat on the table in front of me. This new form factor will really begin to change how people interact with their device.